welcome back to my channel. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe and follow me on all my socials. Guys, I finally found a house in Bombay. I cannot believe that I can say it out loud. You all saw in the episode 1 of Moving Out series all the struggles that I was going through, and it was my third or fourth time house hunting in Bombay, and I'm telling you, it was the toughest. But after 1,000 calls with brokers, meetings, rejections, finally we are here. We have found an apartment. It still feels so unreal that I'm gonna leave this house and this room. I'm not even gonna lie, like leaving this place is probably the toughest thing that I'll do in a while, because like this room has literally been my dream room. I've made it from scratch, and it was the first time I lived in such a beautiful house, beautiful room. I stayed here with Nishka. I had my Pinterest girl era here, and I was in my healthy girl era. I had like a cute balcony with a cute view. I've just had all my moments here in this room, in this house, and leaving this place literally is gonna be so tough. But it's fine. We have to move forward. We have to enter the new chapter, and I hope it's a good one. I know it'll be a good one. It'll be a beautiful one. It'll give me so many more beautiful memories and so many more beautiful, great experiences. Yeah, so I have almost a week to pack up all my stuff from this house and shift it to my new place. And a week sounds less because I think I have a lot of stuff, and I'll have to quickly and properly pack everything because I also have to pay attention to my college. I did not attend lectures last week because I was in the middle of so many events and house hunting, and it was just getting way too chaotic for me, but I have to get back to it as well. So I hope we can all pack properly. I have decided to start packing a few things that I know for sure I'm not gonna use. So I have this like big giant, okay, there's construction happening, of course. I have in me this huge like bubble wrap roll, and I've decided to bubble wrap literally everything because I know during shifting everything gets ruined. And this huge box, so I've decided I'm going to put everything that we have. Oh god, this construction! Day 2 of packing, and this is how my room looks. Today we have help, so I'm sort of chilling. And last day also I did not do much. I literally packed just one box and I was so tired and I had to rush for an event. But today, like, we started thoda early in the morning. So even on this day we started by first packing my clothes, and बीच में we were like discarding whatever was not required, जो मैं पहनने नहीं वाली थी. And here it might look like that I'm just ordering and instructing, which is partially true. I was not doing much this day because I was just not feeling that great. But anyways, so you can see like, yeah, we have almost packed all my extra clothing, and we also packed my desk ka show pieces and decor related pieces. I bubble wrapped them and then sort of stacked them up in like a basket, which I put inside the carton. Yeah, so these are all the clothes that I donated. You'll see it later in some other video. And this is how all my packing looked like, and this was literally the situation of my house that day. It was a mess, literally. So it's almost, what's the time? It's 1. Yeah, it's almost 1, and by now I have packed all my bags. I have emptied 2 of those. I have removed all those choda show pieces, and I have packed all my jewelry, and I have also removed all the clothes that I don't want, all the bags that I don't want anymore, that I like just want to give away or whatever. So all of that is done. Now we're gonna take like a lunch break, and then we are gonna resume. I think this day I got the most amount of packing done. I packed all my books, all my journals, all my desk related stuff. Like my desk was fully empty. Okay, now here you can see I did most of the packing off camera because like it was getting a bit too chaotic and I was not able to manage everything all together. But I think it's like a day later at night I was packing all my makeup, all my skincare. So what I basically did was that I used all my big PR packages to stack up all my skincare makeup, and I was taping everything literally 3 times because I didn't want any sort of leakage happening. Like I just wanted to avoid all of that, so I was being extra cautious. So the next day the porter guys came. They were like 5-6 in total, and I booked them through their app, and they packed all my furniture, like my study table, my bed, mattress, my chest of drawers, literally everything that I wanted to take with me to my new house. They packed everything. So I paid them like 9,000 rupees, and I think they did a lot of things like for the money I paid for it. And like literally they got everything on their own. They packed everything properly, and they like transported it into their own trucks, and whatever they dismantled, they built it together again to my new house. You can see here like they even packed our kitchen ka stuff, like they bubble wrapped it, they taped it, and everything was done pretty nicely. So yeah, and this is not like a paid thing or whatever. I genuinely booked them. It's a new day, and we are shifting a few of our things that you can see, me and Anik. So literally we've been up since like 7 a.m, 7-8 a.m, and we were packing a few things that we could carry on our own. Yeah, like just these things that you can see, a few suitcases, a few bags, my PR packages, and all of that. So we're gonna reach there and just take all of these things up and put them in a corner or something. But before that, I am gonna do like an empty house tour. I am so excited about that because I've never done like an empty house tour, so this is gonna be a first time. And it's, yeah, like you'll see the house. It's not like, I don't want to sound very like ungrateful. It's beautiful, but I know I'm gonna miss my old house so much. Like this house was like my dream house, but I'm gonna make sure the new house also turns out to be so beautiful. I'm gonna make it beautifully, aesthetically, and it's gonna be beautiful, amazing, pretty, gorgeous, everything. And yeah, right now we are going to have breakfast because both of us are very hungry. So we'll have like a good, nice, healthy breakfast, and I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so now let me show you guys my new house. Ta-da! This is how it looks like. So we are entering, and this is my living room area. It has this huge window which I absolutely love. There's so much natural light coming in, and I'm sorry for the voiceover. The thing is that whatever I was saying, it was echoing so much. So anyways, I was saying that here I'm planning to put like my chest of drawers, and like here my couch is gonna come, and then this area I thought that I'm gonna like keep my dining table. Now let me show you guys how my kitchen looks like. So this is how it is. There's so much that is yet to be done, like all the cabinets and everything, all the drawers are yet to be installed. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys my room in 1, 2, 3. So this is how you enter my room, and can you see these huge horizontal sliding windows that like I'm obsessed with, and the view is so pretty. It's literally so like aesthetic, and I love it. My room is like a decent size. It's not very big, but it's like big. It's bigger than my previous room, and like here I'm planning to put like a vanity situation thingy, like a nice mirror and like a table where I'm gonna store all my makeup, and like aesthetic one. And for my bed, I was not sure that which direction I'm gonna keep my bed, so I had like two ideas, either this way or like this way. And yeah, like you'll know which layout like I went for. And then coming to my study table, this is where like I'm planning to put my study table, and opposite that will be like my wardrobe. So yeah, that's like a basic layouting that I thought of during that time. And now let me show you all my bathroom. This is how it looks like. It has this nice marble texture. I'm honestly not fond of like this black texture that they gave. Like I wish they like did the whole thing as like a white marble texture, and it would have been so aesthetic. But anyways, this is like my sink area. It does not have like a lot of storage, so I'm planning to put like a trolley thingy niche wherein I can like store all my stuff, and maybe like I will put some shelves here where I can stack up other things. Then that's like a head shower, then there's a hand shower, and here I'm gonna put all my other shower related products. I'm also planning to like have another shelf because I think I have a lot of products, and I'll need like one more corner shelf or like a straight shelf. I'm quickly gonna show you all how my roommate's room looks like. It's like very similar to my room. It's actually like literally my room, just like different direction. It's just like flipped. And yeah, like it's pretty big, and the only difference is that just the washroom is outside and my room has the washroom inside. So now this is her washroom. I like this one better. It's literally beige, and even the pattern, it's cute. Like it's kind of vintage, which is cute. And she also has this thing, like this holder situation, which I don't have in my bathroom. I don't know why. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is like my entire house. I've shown you all. Thank you for watching today's video. I obviously forgot to do the outro, so you have to bear with this. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.